welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something special, the 9 cheap cruiser motorcycles that punch above their weights. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just getting started, these bikes prove that great performance doesn't always come with a hefty price tag. Number 9. QJMotor SRV300. There's something magical about a small cruiser that doesn't compromise on style or experience, and the QJMotor SRV300 does just that. Imagine cruising through winding back roads, the deep rumble of the 296cc V-twin engine beneath you, effortlessly gliding through corners, all while staying comfortably on your saddle. It's a bike that beckons adventure without breaking the bank. Despite its modest engine, the SRV300 punches far above its weight. Its 27 horsepower may not scream power, but it offers just the right amount of grunt for both city commutes and weekend escapes. The 13.5-liter fuel tank ensures long rides without constant refueling, making it the perfect companion for leisurely journeys. The ABS brakes bring peace of mind, giving you confident stopping power when you need it most. This bike is perfect for those who crave a relaxed yet engaging ride, ideal for newer riders or those looking to add a charming, affordable cruiser to their collection. If you're looking for a stylish city bike with some weekend getaway potential, the SRV300 is right up your alley. While it's not a powerhouse, the SRV300 stands out for its practicality and aesthetic charm. The only downside might be its modest performance at higher speeds on highways, but for cruising through town or hitting scenic routes, it's a solid option at a price that makes sense. Number 8. CFMoto 450 CLC. The CFMoto 450 CLC is the cruiser that breaks away from convention, blending modern tech with rugged design. Picture yourself out on a long ride, the roar of its 449cc single-cylinder engine cutting through the air as you take on twisty roads or open highways. The power output of 40 horsepower might surprise you, offering plenty of zip for a bike of this size. It's not just about raw power, it's about how it delivers it, smooth and predictable. What really sets the 450 CLC apart is its adjustable suspension, which allows you to tailor the ride to your preferences, making it a versatile choice for various road conditions. The 12-liter tank means fewer pit stops, and its sleek digital display keeps you informed while adding a modern flair to its retro cruiser aesthetics. This bike is built for those who want something different, a stylish cruiser with a bit more grunt, perfect for intermediate riders looking for something with a little more punch. It's an excellent choice for anyone looking to explore both city streets and country roads, with the versatility to handle both. The 450 CLC offers impressive performance for its class, but it's not without its quirks. The ride can feel a little firm on rougher roads, especially for taller riders. But for those looking for an agile and capable cruiser, it's a solid contender in the affordable cruiser segment. Number 7. Royal Enfield Super Meteor 650. The Royal Enfield Super Meteor 650 invites you into a world where classic design meets modern performance. Picture yourself rolling down the highway, the smooth hum of the 648cc parallel twin engine filling the air as the miles melt away beneath you. At 47 horsepower, the Super Meteor has enough power to keep you engaged without feeling overwhelming, making it a perfect cruiser for long-distance rides or weekend getaways. Its 15.7-liter tank is a nod to the bike's touring potential, offering a decent range for those who like to take their time on the open road. The ergonomics are comfortable, and with dual-channel ABS, you've got added confidence to take on the curves and corners with ease. Whether you're a veteran rider or someone looking for a step up from smaller cruisers, the Super Meteor provides that perfect balance of performance and comfort. If you're a rider who wants a bike that looks as good as it performs, the Super Meteor 650 is calling your name. It's ideal for those who enjoy leisurely rides, a touch of retro style, and the ability to cruise comfortably on highways or scenic routes. While the Super Meteor 650 offers an excellent blend of style and performance, it can feel a bit heavy for newer riders or those who prefer a lighter, more nimble cruiser. But for experienced riders, its smoothness and ride quality are hard to beat at this price point. Number 6. Moto Morini Calibro 700. The Moto Morini Calibro 700 is the kind of bike that blends modern technology with timeless appeal. Imagine the roar of its 693cc V-twin engine as you twist the throttle, feeling the immediate surge of 68 horsepower beneath you. It's not just about speed. It's about the experience, that thrilling acceleration, and the unmistakable V-twin pulse that makes you feel every rev. It's the kind of bike that pulls you into the ride, making you want to explore every corner of the road. Its 15-liter fuel tank ensures you won't be stopping often, allowing for long, uninterrupted rides. The Calibro's modern retro styling combines with advanced features like traction control and LED lighting, giving it a fresh yet familiar look. It's a bike that feels equally at home in city traffic or out on scenic country roads, making it an incredibly versatile option for a wide range of riders. The Calibro 700 is perfect for riders who crave a blend of classic styling and modern performance. If you love the idea of a V-twin that can handle both weekend adventures and daily commutes, this bike fits that need perfectly. It's a great option for riders looking for something a bit different, with more performance and style than many of its competitors. The only downside? The Moto Morini's design might not appeal to everyone, especially those who prefer a more traditional cruiser look. But for those who want something that stands out while offering a smooth and thrilling ride, the Calibro 700 is a compelling choice. Number 5. Yamaha Bolt R-Spec. The Yamaha Bolt R-Spec is the embodiment of raw, no-frills cruiser styling. Picture yourself cruising through city streets or along open highways, the deep rumble of its 942cc V-twin engine reverberating beneath you. With 53 horsepower, the Bolt R-Spec doesn't overwhelm you with excessive speed, but it delivers a strong, satisfying punch when you twist the throttle. Its low seat height makes it accessible to a wide range of riders, offering a relaxed and comfortable ride, whether you're in stop-and-go traffic or winding through scenic roads. The 13-liter tank offers a decent range, and the bike's blacked-out minimalist design gives it an undeniable edge in the custom cruiser world. The Bolt is built to be personalized, with a wide range of aftermarket parts available to make it truly your own. If you're the type of rider who loves making your bike stand out, the Bolt R-Spec will serve as the perfect canvas. The Bolt R-Spec is ideal for urban riders or those who prefer a low-maintenance bike with a stylish, aggressive design. It's also a great choice for customization enthusiasts who want a platform they can modify over time. While the Bolt R-Spec is incredibly fun and easy to ride, its lower horsepower means it may lack the high-end performance of some larger cruisers. However, it excels in its price range, offering great value for those seeking a tough, customizable cruiser without breaking the bank. Number 4. Indian Scout 60 Bobber. The Indian Scout 60 Bobber delivers a thrilling experience that's equal parts power and style. Imagine the wind in your face as you cruise down a highway, the aggressive 999cc V-twin engine growling beneath you with its 85 horsepower. This bike isn't just about looks, it delivers that unmistakable V-twin performance, pulling you through every gear with ease and excitement. Whether you're accelerating from a stoplight or cruising at high speed, the Scout 60 Bobber offers a smooth, enjoyable ride that makes you feel connected to the road. Its 13-liter tank ensures you can take longer rides without worry, while the Bobber styling gives it a classic, aggressive look that turns heads everywhere you go. The ergonomics are comfortable enough for both city riding and longer hauls, with modern tech like a digital display and ABS brakes enhancing the ride. The Scout 60 Bobber is perfect for riders who crave a mix of style and substance. If you want a bike that's both a blast to ride and a statement piece, this one's for you. It's ideal for anyone looking to turn heads while enjoying strong, reliable performance. While the Scout 60 Bobber's performance is excellent, some riders may find its low-slung bobber style to be less practical on long trips or for taller riders. But for those seeking a great blend of power, comfort, and style at an accessible price, the Scout 60 Bobber is an impressive choice. Number 3. BMW R12. The BMW R12 is the cruiser that blends top-tier engineering with stunning design. Imagine yourself on the open road, the iconic twin-cylinder boxer engine at the heart of the experience. With 95 horsepower and a 1170cc engine, the R12 has the power to get up and go without hesitation, making every ride feel smooth and exhilarating. Its 3.7-gallon tank offers ample range for long-distance cruising, and the bike's adjustable suspension ensures a smooth ride on nearly any surface. BMW's commitment to quality is evident in every detail of the R12, from the premium materials to the intuitive electronics package that includes traction control and ride modes. The ergonomics cater to both city riders and those looking to embark on more adventurous journeys. Whether you're carving through twisty roads or enjoying an extended ride across the countryside, the R12 offers a premium experience at a price that punches above its weight. The R12 is made for riders who value precision engineering and long-lasting performance. If you're looking for a cruiser that offers the perfect mix of power, comfort, and tech, this bike is perfect for you. It's an excellent option for seasoned riders who appreciate a smooth, adaptable ride. While the R12 offers incredible performance and advanced features, it may be a bit pricier than some of the competition. However, for those who demand top-tier craftsmanship and a premium experience, this cruiser stands out as a top choice. Number 2. Honda Rebel 1100 DCT. The Honda Rebel 1100 DCT is a cruiser designed for the modern rider, combining retro aesthetics with cutting-edge technology. Powered by an 1083cc parallel twin engine, it offers 86 horsepower, providing smooth acceleration and solid torque for an exciting yet comfortable ride. What truly sets the Rebel 1100 apart is its dual-clutch transmission, DCT, allowing for seamless shifting without the need for a clutch lever. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned rider, the DCT ensures a smooth, hassle-free riding experience, perfect for those who want to focus more on the road and less on shifting. With a fuel tank capacity of 13.6 liters, this bike offers decent range for long-distance cruising. The low seat height enhances comfort, making it an accessible option for shorter riders. The Rebel 1100 also comes equipped with modern features, including rider aids such as selectable riding modes, traction control, and ABS, making it both safe and customizable to different riding styles. The Rebel 1100 is perfect for new and intermediate riders who want a low-maintenance, reliable cruiser with modern features. If you're looking for a machine that offers both ease of use and exhilarating performance, the Rebel 1100 is an ideal choice. While the DCT is a standout feature, it may not appeal to purists who prefer traditional manual shifting. However, for riders looking for convenience and comfort with a dash of power, the Honda Rebel 1100 DCT is a fantastic all-around cruiser. Number 1. Suzuki Boulevard M109R. The Suzuki Boulevard M109R is the ultimate powerhouse in this list, delivering a performance that commands attention. Imagine the roar of its 1783cc V-twin engine as you accelerate down the highway, the 128 horsepower propelling you forward with effortless authority. This bike isn't just about brute strength, it's about raw power combined with exceptional control. The Boulevard M109R gives you a thrilling ride every time you twist the throttle, whether you're looking for a thrilling burst of speed or a smooth, confident cruise. The 19-liter tank offers an excellent range, ensuring that long-distance touring is just as enjoyable as short city rides. The M109R's muscle cruiser design is both imposing and beautiful, with sleek lines and chrome accents that turn heads wherever you go. Despite its size and power, it offers surprisingly comfortable ergonomics, making it suitable for long rides as well as daily commutes. It's a bike that doesn't just perform well, it makes you feel like the king of the road. The M109R is made for experienced riders who crave power, style, and performance. If you're someone who wants a cruiser that can take on anything, from the freeway to back roads, this is the machine for you. It's perfect for riders looking for a bike that offers an adrenaline rush while still providing comfort and a high-quality ride. While the Suzuki Boulevard M109R boasts incredible power and an impressive presence on the road, it's also a larger, heavier bike that may be a bit intimidating for new riders. However, for those seeking a cruiser with maximum performance and style, the M109R reigns supreme, offering value that punches far above its weight. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you found your next dream bike in this list of cruisers. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more, and let me know in the comments which one caught your eye. Until next time, ride safe and ride free.